In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your website using Wix. This process is straightforward and ideal for anyone looking to enhance their website with engaging audio content, whether it's background music, a podcast episode, or any other audio feature. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for making all design changes to your website. Once you're in the editor, head over to the left sidebar, which houses a variety of editing tools. Here, you'll want to click on Add Elements. This will open up a plethora of options to customize and enhance your site. Within this menu, find and click on Video and Music. This is the tab where you can integrate multimedia elements into your design. Next, select Audio Players to see the available options for audio playback on your site. Now you'll need to pick an audio player. There are several styles to choose from, so select one that complements your site's aesthetic. After adding it to your page, click on Change Track to customize what audio file will be played. You will then see an option to choose audio from, which lets you specify the source of your audio. Here, you'll select one track if you wish to add a single audio file. For audio hosted externally, you'll opt for External MP3. This choice allows you to input a URL for your selected audio track. Click "What's the URL for this track?" and paste in the direct URL to your audio file. Make sure to verify the link before proceeding to ensure smooth playback on your site. While you're at it, enhance your audio section by clicking Choose Image to add a visual component. This could be an album cover, a related art piece, or any image that fits the theme of the audio. Taking this step helps to create a visually appealing interface for your audience. Don't forget to click on Track Detail, which allows you to edit the metadata for your audio. Here, you can enter the artist name and track name, lending a professional touch and clarity to each file's presentation. This also aids in maintaining an organized audio collection on your site. Next, it's time to set your playback options. Decide if you want the audio to play once or to play in loop, depending on your content's aim, be it a one-time intro, repeated background music, or another use case. Finally, let's personalize the appearance a bit more by selecting Audio Player Layout and Audio Player Design. Use these tools to fit the audio player seamlessly into your website's design. If an extra creative touch is needed, Add Animation can give your audio element dynamic entry and exit effects. With all these steps completed, you should now have an audio feature integrated into your Wix site. Remember, tweaking each element ensures it aligns perfectly with your overall site vision. Feel free to play around with these settings until you achieve the desired result. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!